As an engineering professional, your main goal every day should be to provide the utmost value to your clients, to your team members, to your supervisor. You always want to be providing value. Well, in this week's Engineering Management Lessons video, Scott DiFiore, principal at Simpson Gumpertz Heger, is going to share with us a leadership lesson that will help you ensure that you're always providing value. Scott, what's that lesson?
Yeah, I think the biggest leadership tip that I would have at any stage in your career is figuring out a way to say yes and have a consultant mindset, right out of the gate. It's, someone comes to you with a question or something that they have to have done in a certain time frame. I think there's a way to think about the question. And even if your time is under demand, there might be a way that you can work with that client that's talking to you to figure out how to solve that problem within some timely manner. Either you can tell him or her what your schedule is and when you will get to something, or how you can put them in touch with another of your partners or colleagues that can address it. But this mentality of saying, yes, I can handle that, or this is what I can do to get you to that answer, rather than an instinct of an instant no. I think as soon as you can kind of get into that mindset, it just gets to be a little bit more fun. I guess it'll be a little bit more collaborative, and people will start to knock on your door a little bit more often as you become creative, start to creatively solve problems within whatever constraints you have. And that also serves as a leader. If someone's looking for help, you got to stop and think as to what it is you can do to break that logjam. If you can't do it yourself, you can bring somebody else in. You've met a lot of people in your career. How do you navigate that? How do you create it? How do you problem solve with a client? Do you really need that today? Do you need it in a week? What can I do? If it is a problem, let me figure out how to get you something that gets you there. So it's really just kind of that yes mindset, just opens doors for you in terms of opportunities and relationships that I think is very valuable.
All right, thank you so much, Scott. And really, I meant what I said when I did the intro earlier. You have to provide value throughout your engineering career. That's going to help you get promoted. That's going to help you be open to new opportunities. It's going to help you get a pay raise, right? You want to always provide value. And as Scott said, you got to figure out a way to do it. Even if you don't have the bandwidth, maybe someone else within your firm can. We put out videos like this on a weekly basis to help engineers become better managers and leaders. So please consider subscribing to our channel here, and we will help you engineer your own success. I'll see you next week.